What's good, YouTube? Man, my fourth retwist gang. I'm looking a little rough, man. Every time. Hey, don't mind me. I just woke up. I gotta get my hair done in like 45 minutes, so I'm kind of running late. I just wanted to make this video real quick. My hair growing and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna keep letting it grow, man. I think I'm gonna get braids maybe like April. It's a play it safe, because I don't want to get my hopes up like I did last time, man. Like in December, I went there, my hair was very short, and I thought I could get it done, and later like, no, it's too short. So, for real. So, I'm gonna let my stuff grow out a little longer, man. Like, I think another month. So, we're gonna see how it look then, man. I'll show y'all the after photo, man. I'll throw a video on here after this to show y'all what's up, how it look. I done my hair earlier. It took so long, I'm not gonna lie to you. I got there at 10 o'clock. The lady was not ready, so that was kind of upset with that. I drove an hour away. Like, oh, I'm sorry, we booked 2 people at the same time, so then I let the other guy go, because I'm a nice dude. Oh, my sister's on her way, she's coming, she's coming. Whole time, she didn't even come. And then her sister was late for somebody else's appointment, so I'm like, what is going on? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm finna go back to the fucking fade. Cause man, I tell you what, bro. 4 hours on my day? What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie. I was very upset. But she got it done. So I got about another 2-3 weeks. Braided. I'm gonna have braids for sure, YouTube. So stay tuned, cause I'm gonna have braids soon.